Hermsa Dentures are marketed as a removable denture solution designed to provide a natural appearance, stable fit, and everyday comfort for people looking for an alternative to traditional dental appliances. After trying them, the first thing that stands out is how realistic they look compared to many low-cost dentures sold online. The color, shape, and overall finish help them blend well with natural teeth, which reduces the overly artificial look that often makes people feel self-conscious in social settings. Comfort is another area where these dentures perform reasonably well. The fit feels secure without being tight or painful, and the material has a smooth surface that helps prevent irritation along the gums. This makes them easier to wear for longer periods during the day, without constant pressure or discomfort. While no removable denture will feel exactly like natural teeth, these do a good job of avoiding the bulky or awkward sensation that some products have. In daily use, stability plays a big role in how confident dentures feel, and Hermsa dentures stay in place better than expected. Eating and speaking feel more controlled because the dentures do not shift easily during normal movement. That added stability helps reduce anxiety when talking, smiling, or eating in public, which is often a major concern for denture users. Chewing softer foods feels natural, though harder or stickier foods may still require some caution, as with most removable dentures. Maintenance is also straightforward. Cleaning does not require complicated tools or special solutions, and the surface does not seem to trap residue easily. This simplifies daily care and makes the routine feel manageable rather than frustrating. Over regular use, the dentures appear to hold their shape and finish well, suggesting acceptable durability for their category. They do not feel fragile or disposable, which adds reassurance for long-term use. Quick disclaimer before we continue. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. I'm not selling or promoting this product. Everything here is based on public information and common warning signs of misleading marketing. It's important to keep expectations realistic. These dentures are not custom dental appliances fitted by a dentist, and they are not meant to replace professional dental care. However, for individuals looking for a non-invasive, accessible option that improves appearance and basic function, they offer a balanced middle ground between comfort, appearance, and usability. Overall, Hermsa dentures appear to be a practical solution for people who want a natural-looking denture option that is comfortable enough for everyday wear and simple to maintain. While results will vary depending on fit, usage, and personal needs, the product delivers a level of quality that feels intentional rather than cheaply made. For users seeking confidence, stability, and ease of use without unrealistic promises, this option may be worth considering.